Hello, and today I would like to talk about starting a TikTok account. And just sign up for an account. It doesn't matter what you use for a name when you first start, because you can change the TikTok name later and you can change it once every month. So just start it with your own name, or most people just use the username that they give you to start off until they figure out a more interesting name. Some people just get a TikTok account so that they can just watch videos, but they don't have any of their own. But if you want to be a content creator on TikTok, then I'm going to help you get started. And later videos, we will work on getting farther in the process. So anyways, to get started on TikTok, now, like I said, start your account. This is your home screen. This is what you'll see once you have TikTok. This is the home page. Once you have one, you'll be able to log in. Okay, and this will give you an option of logging in. See right here, don't have account, sign up. Okay, so even if you just click log in, you sign up and just follow. It's pretty much just like signing up for anything. Okay. Okay, so once you are logged in and you have your page, and whether you use username or you decided to pick a name, you'll come to the home page, which looks like this. In your profile, you'll have to fill out all your information. And in your profile, you will have how many you're following, how many followers you have, and how many likes you have if you have any videos. These are mostly for creators. If you're not a creator, but you start following, this is the list of people you're following. Then you will see. You'll see on here following, okay? And then because I've been on TikTok since I think August of 2020. I tend to do about 3 videos in a day because they're short. So I kind of what I tend to like to do is go around and just, I have a horse, so I go to the barn. Anything interesting at all that I see, such as Mitzi here, who was itchy. So she was scratching on the wheelbarrow. And the only reason I put here is because I had another video of her scratching on the wheelbarrow. And a lot of people were commenting that she was weaving and in distress. So I put this video up to show that she's just scratching on the wheelbarrow. Unfortunately, there's people on TikTok that comment on things without knowing what they're really commenting on. Instead of finding out, they just, Anyways, that's not what we're talking about today. We'll get to that on another day. But in any event, so you have your TikTok. Now, you probably want to know, well, where do I start? Okay, and this is something that you really should plan in advance. You should plan in advance what it is on TikTok that you would like to do. Because if you just go on here willy-nilly with absolutely, which I kind of actually did, so I didn't have much in the beginning. A lot of people are just gonna, and the thing, what TikTok does is they have what's called an algorithm, and it goes through and it picks out the videos that it thinks are going to be, that TikTok thinks will get the most views, that they think the viewers want to see, and those will get the most views. Like if you look here, I've got, this only has 173, 211. But if you go down to like this one here, it has over 3,000. You keep going down. Now this one has 12,000. If you go down to this one here, this was a cute video that I did of my horse happy to see his girlfriend. And I put it to the music of Romeo and Juliet. And he was so whinnying.
Here she comes.
So, and this video did very well.
Here she comes.
So, anyways, so that video did well. And usually once you have a video that goes kind of what they call viral, which this one did pretty well. I mean, I got 100,000 within a day viewers on it. But the one that really got me was an accident. The one that actually got me on the TikTok radar was actually by accident, because it was the barn that my horse lived in caught on fire, and he had a camera inside his stall. And I took videos. Like sometimes I'll take videos from his camera, from his stall camera, and I'll put up different things. But what happened, and this was last October, is I put up videos from inside the barn during the fire. And it was quite a while ago. And I've done a lot of videos since then. And that got 1 million views overnight. So that immediately, boom, it went viral. And it even made it onto the viral channels. It was on TV. It was on, you know, internet news and different things like that, because the video not only showed my horse inside a burning building, it showed him working to save the lives of other horses that were also in the burning, I mean, that the whole place was on fire. So obviously that was a very interesting video, and I think by now it probably has about 3 million views. But it was a long time ago, so obviously that slowed down. Normally, I mean, that's a freak. Viral, that's freak going viral. I never expected that. I just put it up. You know, it happened. Obviously, it wasn't something that was planned. It wasn't something that was, you know, anybody knew was going to happen. It happened. I just happened to have some of the video footage because it was external. It came to went to the storage, and I said, oh, I'm going to put a little bit of this on TikTok. And it just blew. So, but you really should have an idea of where you're going. If you want to be a TikTok creator where you're going to eventually be monetized, meaning you can make money. There's some of the videos. This is a later video, so it's only got 3,000. But here's a video of the barn on fire right here. And that's got 34,000. But those were like later. I put up different ones. Okay. So, all right. So here is the first. I'm going to turn this. This is the first video I put up. It was a part 1 and a part 2. And this was the first one I put up, which got 118,000. This one now has 2.2 million. It had 1 million in 12 hours. This video right here. Because this was during the fire. That video there was what got me started with enough views and enough followers to get started to monetize my account. You have to have 1,000 subscribers, and you have to be over 18. But anyways, So once you get started, just kind of play with ideas. Think about what is it that you like that people can, what is it that you like that people are going to want to see? That's going to be either, you want to either be entertaining. There's 3 things that you want. You either want to be 1, entertaining, 2, instructional, so that you're teaching people things, or 3, you can do like a blog type of, you know, make it like a vlog, you know, kind of like your own personal blog, but with, there has to be something that people are going to want to look at. You know, somebody just walking down the street, not talking, is obviously not going to be very interesting. So me, I love animals. I'm around animals all the time. I have a horse. My horse has been through a lot. He had surgery a year ago this month. So I put up a video for the 1 year since his surgery. I do photography, so I did some of those, and things happen at the barn that are cute, like the dog one here, you know, where this dog was sticking his nose in the cat hole that's in the door, and the cat was watching him. So that one got quite a bit of views too. So think about what it is that you want your page to be about and focus mostly on that. Now, I've gone off, you know, just doing animals because, you know, sometimes trends will come up on TikTok, such as that one that I really liked was the sea shanties. You know, everybody was doing, especially the Wellerman shanty, and I got involved in that too, and singing, you know, singing the Wellerman shanty, and I also came up with my own song to sing in some pirate gear. So there's things like that. If you're a singer, that's wonderful. I mean, people on TikTok love singers. You want something cute, like a cat walking through the water. You know, we've got different entertainment videos that's singing. So just think about what it is you want. If you've got an interesting pet, like I actually saved this couple years ago. I saved this little starling, and then when she was ready, I set her free. My biggest advice is to watch quite a few videos before you really decide on what it is that you want to make, what you want your TikTok channel to be about. Think about it. Say, okay, what do I want this to, you know, what's my passion that I'm going to want to do? And with TikTok, because the videos are so short, they're only 59 seconds each. That's all you have to get whatever it is you want to get across. And so you have to get almost like a beginning, middle, and ending in that 59 seconds. So make sure that you know exactly what you're going to do and how you're going to do it. Have it in your head. If it helps to write it down, make a little script. I don't do that. I love to just ad-lib everything. Make sure you go to other people's videos, leave comments, you know, be involved in the TikTok community. I like to go to other people's, and I mean, this may look weird. People are like, oh, you only follow 517 people, but you have almost 100,000 followers and 1.4 million likes. I got those followers organically by making videos that people want to see, rather than by following a bunch of people and hoping they would follow me back. I don't believe in that method of doing things, because to me that's kind of like, you're not going to get quality followers. You're not getting followers who care about you because they like your videos. You're not going to grow your video audience and your likes and all that by having people who are there just because you followed them. You know, chances are they're never even going to look at your videos, and eventually they're probably just going to unfollow you anyways. So your best bet is to get what's called organic followers. And that's followers that are going to follow you because they like what you have to offer. That's what I do. The people that I follow, I don't follow them because they're following me. Or because they have interests that are similar to mine. Some people are into The Sims, which I'm into. Got BoxyCharm, which I subscribe to, and I do videos on YouTube on that. And just, so follow people that have things that you like. And it takes some time. I mean, like I said, I probably would be nowhere near what I have here if it weren't for the fact that, unfortunately, you know, an unfortunate accident happened at the barn, and I was able to get it all on video. And it was, you know, it's like anything. It's like, you know, people just, they're drawn to tragedy for some reason. And actually in this case, it wasn't tragedy because all the horses got out. And it was a tragedy in the sense of this historic barn was lost, and someone lost their apartment in the process. So they lost their home essentially in the process. And we all had to move to new barns in a day, just bing, just like that. We had trailers coming and picking up all our horses. It was very stressful. So it was an interesting time. And because of that, I had a lot of pictures and videos for weeks to come about that fire. And then when, you know, it was all viral and it started to go all over the place, then people started to flood in. And that's where I got most of my followers. And I did go through a period where I lost followers because obviously I can't keep going on and on and on about that one incident. So I just started continuing with videos of my horse. Anyway, do your research, look at what you like, watch the videos that you like, and write down your tips. And you will have a good, you'll eventually have a good grasp of what it is that you want on TikTok and how you want to proceed with your page. And you may change gears. And if you do, and you know that what you do, changing gears, is going to get you more followers, then go ahead and do that. And I will have more videos on tips on TikTok and the best things for you to do to become monetized and to make it, you know, do okay. I don't do great, but I do okay on TikTok. And I will talk to you next time. And just subscribe if you like this. You can subscribe to my channel, and you can click on the link that I have in my description. And I have other channels that you might be interested in as well. And you can follow me on TikTok too if you're interested. My TikTok world is quite different than my YouTube world, but along the same lines. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.